Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. Hello friends, in this video I will show you how I was able to unclog my kitchen drain. See, my kitchen is behind this wall and the drain from the kitchen was clogged. Okay, so the water was not flowing, it was just sit in the basin, and it will take 2 hours for the water to drain. So first what I did is I opened this is called clean out port. Okay, so I opened this, and then I have this machine here, pressure washer, and I bought this tool here. It has a tool. You connect to the one end of this, goes to the machine, and the other end is other end here. See, the water comes out, so you insert here like this, and I inserted it little bit, and then put the pressure washer on, and it sprayed water under pressure from these holes, 3 holes on this, and then lots of dirt came out, lots of filthy stuff came out, things like this. See, this one looks like some paint stuff. See this one here, lot of this thing, white stuff came out. And then we inserted this hose. This hose is supposed to be 50 feet, so I inserted it more inside and then cleaned out. I cleaned a lot until I could not go any further. And then I tested. Then I closed the port. Okay, I closed the port, and then in the kitchen I poured some water and see if it solved the problem, but it didn't. And then I said maybe this pressure washer thing is not working, so I used this auger. See this auger here? See this auger tool, and it goes in the machine there, and you connect your electric drill to the auger, and then I inserted this in the hole like this. Okay, I inserted it like this, and then I turned the drill on to rotate it, and then I inserted some more, and so on. I did this, and I did it, and still it did not solve the problem. So finally what solved the problem is that I bought a tool from Home Depot. It's called Husky. See, medium drain bladder. See this bladder? It says this is for clearing medium-sized 1.5 inch to 3 inch household drains. Okay, for use with standard garden hose. So my drain pipe is 2 inch diameter. Okay, so what I did is I connect this bladder to my garden hose. Okay, make sure securely you will connect it securely, and then you insert it inside. Okay, you insert it inside about 12 inch, and then you open the water. When you open the water, then you will feel pressure. You will feel that there is a pressure because the bladder, with the pressure of the water, the bladder expands, and then it grips the drain pipe, and then the water goes inside. And I left it on for about 5 minutes, and then I took it out. But before you take it out, you close the water. Okay, you close the water. Then you can see, you can hear the sound, and then you take it out. Okay, don't take it out while the water is running because it's under pressure. And see this thing here is still dirty. Okay, so this one we did it, and then we tested in the kitchen. We closed the port. Okay, and then we tested that the water clog is done. I filled this bucket 1/4. Now we pour this water, and we'll see how it drains. See, it's draining pretty good. That means the problem has been solved. Okay, so basically, I feel very good about it. I feel overjoyed because I was almost going to give up and I was going to call a plumber. Of course, the plumber would come with their professional tool and they would have fixed it, but they would have charged me at least $300. And I bought this bladder for about $12, and the pressure washer hose I already bought about 2 months ago for about $50. And then the auger that I use, I showed you, I had bought about 5 years ago and I used it a lot of times. So today, just for $12, I was able to solve the problem. So I feel a great victory. Thank you. Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.